I don't know. Okay, tell the...
Oh, yes.
Tell the hair in your braces.
Dude, once I had my lacrosse ribbon in my hair and it got stuck in my braces. I don't know how that worked. I really don't. But Megan was laughing at me so hard. I was just like, you guys, I have a ribbon in my mouth. Help me out. No one would help me. They're too busy laughing. Is that on video?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's embarrassing. Now the whole world is going to know my embarrassing story about ribbon in my mouth.
Funniest thing ever. Okay. Anyway, let's go get some comb.
Okay.
We're on a mission.
To get some cool.
Ooh, baby got back. Okay, you can stop that. No one wants to see us. I got that too. Okay. I got that on video too. We're going to get some coke. Not the drugs, but the drink. Wow, what was that? We can't go outside yet.